What's going on, homies? It's Andrew back with another video, and today we are going to be unboxing a brand new pair of sneakers. Let's get started. First things first, let's just acknowledge for a second the fact that these shoes did not come with a shoe box. eBay sent them in this big ass dust bag with a nice little electric green or yellow drawstring. It's a nice looking bag. It's not what I was expecting. I thought I was gonna get these in a shoebox today, but I guess that's what I get for not looking at the listing properly. So today we are looking at a pair of Nike Air Max 90 golf shoes. So as you guys know, if you are new to this channel, you may not know, I'm a huge fan of the Air Max 90. I'm also a huge fan of playing golf, so I wanted to pick up a pair of golf cleats for the new season. This is actually not the first pair of golf cleats that I bought from Nike. Special edition Jordan 5 lows in the black metallic colorway with golf cleats on the bottom. This is one that I picked up last year, pretty early 2021. I've worn these a handful of times this year, and I wanted something a little bit more lightweight, a little bit less bulky, and something that was just a different color altogether. So I'm a big fan of playing golf in these, but I'm really excited to play golf in a pair of these. So as it appears, these might have been sold from a retailer, maybe someone who lost the shoebox or the shoebox got damaged. I'm not too sure. What we're looking at here is an all-white upper with black accents, and you have a lot of hyperfuse material along the paneling. So instead of the standard stitch paneling, there's no suede, there's no leather, it's just hyperfuse mesh material. So it's very much a performance-based Air Max 90, not like your typical Air Max 90 by any means. Everything in the shoe feels a lot more structured. The outsole is the biggest significant difference because it has these additional ridges to give you extra traction on the course. One significant detail is that the insole actually says golf with a Nike check. Like I had mentioned, I bought these through eBay, so they did come with eBay's authenticity tag, kind of just a way to, I guess, compete with StockX's authenticity guarantee. So these actually had to be shipped to their authenticator in Las Vegas, so they took a little while longer to arrive. I just realized I'm wearing a white t-shirt and I'm talking about a white sneaker. Didn't really think this one through. Alright, for the purpose of the rest of this video, we're going to go into the vintage Billy Joel oversized t-shirt. Nothing like an extra large t-shirt to hide all of your gym gains. So like I mentioned, I'm a golfer, but I'm very, very amateur golfer. I like to golf with my buddies. I like to get a little bit day drunk on the course, and I like to slice into the woods every single time. I think there is a record that I'm trying to beat, and that's the most golf balls lost in a single 9-hole course. That being said, doesn't mean you can't look fresh on the course, doesn't mean you can't enjoy having a quality pair of performance sneakers on the course. Funny enough, the black metallic Jordan 5 Golf Edition was the first pair of golf shoes I ever purchased, so I can't really tell you from experience how the golf cleats stack up. What I can tell you is that I'm going to be wearing the shit out of these, and if these are white by the end of the golf season, I didn't golf enough, and I will be let down. That being said, guys, I'm really excited about these. I'm really excited to get back out onto the golf course now that spring is here. If you guys didn't know, the winters in the Midwest are not exactly friendly, and I've been looking forward to spring for a very, very long time, it feels like. I appreciate the extra effort from eBay to put these in a dust bag since they did not come with a box, and I appreciate eBay's additional steps to authenticate the shoe before they send it out to me. If you guys haven't already purchased through eBay's authentication system, just expect an additional couple of business days to a week, depending on how your shipping service goes, before you get your sneakers in the mail from eBay. And I think that's where I'm going to wrap up this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and comment below what you guys think. Let me know if anyone out there is a professional golfer, or if you're like me, you just enjoy hanging out with people and swinging at balls. That's where we're going to wrap it up. That joke didn't land. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video, and until then, this is Andrew signing off. Peace.